Hello, I'm going to provide you with one very short example of how to use some of the steps that you saw, hopefully, in the debugging tutorial listed under your reading for the week, for the module 2. Okay, so here's a little program, looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and run it without debugging, see what happens. Good. Here's result from function A, here's result from function B. Okay, but now I kind of want to step through, make sure, it's going where it should go. So I'm going to go ahead and add a breakpoint at the beginning, function B. So it should call function B. I should be able to get up to function A. So now I'm going to run it with debugging. So start debugging. I just want a Python file. And now I get my little menu up top, so I can continue or step over, step in, but I want to go ahead and step in, and that does get me up to function B, so I'm here, which if I step in, it should get me back up to function A, which it does. And so if I continue here, it's going to execute that line, execute the next, return that to here, and it's going to end, and I should get the same output below, which I do, so the program's ended. Okay, you can see most IDEs are pretty good about helping with syntax errors. For example, if I put an E there, you're going to see a little squiggly underline, and it comes up and says, yeah, it's not defined. Okay, thank you. If I forget a parenthesis there, again, I'm going to get a little squiggly underline here that it was not closed. So that's pretty nice to know. Okay, so the syntax errors are pretty easy to find if you're using an IDE. Logic errors are a little bit more difficult. So if I put 0 there, which essentially means it's going to try and divide second val by 0, I should end up with a logic error. So let's save that, Control S, run it again without debugger on. Let's see, now I want to step in, step in. Okay, now I'm at this spot. And again, I don't see a problem until I continue. And then I get the 0 division error. Thank you. See, that's good to know. So then I can know to correct it, put it back to the value it was at 4, save it, and we should be good to go. Should be my last problem. So I'm going to remove the breakpoint, run it without debugging, see what happens. Oh, perfect. Okay, so that's just, a little example of showing you how you can kind of move around in your code. So now you can get started on your assignment. Have fun with it.